Here's the box, sleek and stylish, with a picture of the car on the front. It promises speed, durability, and endless fun. On the side, we can see the specification. A 1:12 ratio scale model with working lights and realistic sound effects. Not to mention the scissor doors. It's a complete package. And now, for the moment we've been waiting for. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Wow, look at this. A beautifully crafted toy car. And the attention to detail is simply stunning. The paint job is flawless and the wheels look like they're ready to race. This is getting exciting, so let's put the batteries in and rev it up. Turn on the lights and we can see they work just like a real car. And if you press this button, look at how beautifully the doors go up. The build quality of the controller is exceptionally well. The controller works smoothly. As you can see, the car is quite responsive. Even in the outdoor environment where there is uneven terrain, it works exceptionally well. So there you have it, the latest and greatest toy car on the market. With its realistic features and attention to detail, is sure to provide hours of fun. Thank you for joining us for this unboxing experience. Stay tuned for more exciting toys and product reviews.